Hello, I'm Robin from Electrical Experience, and today we're going to be looking at Panasonic's new E6B series LCD TV sets. E6B, it's an Edge LED IPS 1080p panel, very wide viewing angles, fantastically bright and vibrant image, work very well in high ambient light situations, so great in all top room types. It's available in 32, 39, 42 and 50 inch sizes, so there's a wide range of sizes to suit all applications and room sizes. It features Panasonic's 100Hz blinking backlight system, so very stable images, great for sport and motion, movies and fast motion stuff like that. Sound is catered for with a 10 watt per channel amplifier, decent sound system I suppose. It's a mid-price TV set, so the sound is reasonably okay for most room applications, but larger maybe require a home cinema system or something. A great telly. Socket count's very wide. You've got 3 HDMI sockets, you've got USB sockets for connectivity to various pen drives and stick drives and stuff like that. Old-fashioned component video input, SCART input. It's fully loaded digital optical output. It's very well thought out, and of course the set being totally up to date, it's got a full Freeview HD tuner built into it as well, so full high definition straight out of the box, subject to coverage of your area. One of the important things with modern TV sets is how eco-friendly they are, and Panasonic give you a raft of eco modes built into the TV set to eke out the most from your, from your power, if you like. One of the features is you've got eco navigation system. Just pop up to it on the menu here, just a quick overview of it. Basically, you've got power save, so the set will switch off after a certain length of time of no use. Ambient light sensor, which saves money because it's reducing the power going to the LEDs. It suits, works out the correct settings for the light that the set's being used in. Power off link, if you've got another device connected to it like a Blu-ray player and you switch that off, it will automatically switch your TV set off as well. Intelligent auto standby, if there's been no movement on the screen for a fixed period of time, again the set switches into standby. So there are some nice features built into it to help save the power, save the planet as it were, The actual consumption figures are very good for the TV set. Its on-mode power consumption is 44 watts, which is very low. It's class leading, it's at least class A. Average power consumption over a year based on 4 hours a day use is 61 kilowatt hours, so again a very small amount of power usage. And in standby it runs at 0.2 of a watt, so it's using next to nothing. Other clever features are the complete overhaul of Panasonic's app store, if you like. You've got a full front screen, which you can basically customise all of them to go into certain parts of the home screen system, which I'll show you in a moment. But as you can see, you've got a massive amount of bits and pieces you can go to. You've got BBC iPlayer, Netflix, Ace Tracks, BBC Sport, BBC News. You've got a full media server, full web browser, so that's covers Skype, YouTube, many things. As I said, the other nice feature is home menu, which is this, and you can customise it to suit how you want the television set to work for. You can leave it like this, and you can customise your own settings and put them into these spaces here, so the things that you use the most, so if it was something like BBC iPlayer, BBC News or whatever, you can literally customise it to suit you. There are half a dozen boxes, pages like this to suit all the members of the family as well, so all in all a very clever piece of kit. Full tutorial built into the TV set, so it actually talks to you and tells you how to get the best from it. The menu is actually built in, not the menu, the manual is built into the TV set, so you can never lose it, it's there all the time for you. Again, some very clever features. One of the really clever features Panasonic have incorporated into this TV set this year is the Viera Remote 2 smartphone app. Compatible with iPhone and obviously Android devices as well. Essentially it means you can completely control the television set from your telephone, right down to things like being able to take photographs from your phone wirelessly onto the TV screen. Very clever feature, very useful for everybody. One of the other features, obviously, Panasonic are fitting Skype compatibility with virtually all of their TV sets this year. You buy the optional CC20 camera and basically you can Skype to your heart's content. You can contact people from all over the world for very little cost. And in conclusion, A very, very clever TV set, well specified, well priced, good size availability, works beautifully. It's got all the bits and pieces you need in a modern mid-price TV set, all with Panasonic's build quality, and it definitely gets a thumbs up from me.